Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud. Chance of showers. Low 15, high 21. For Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud with 60% chance of showers. Low 14, high 22. For Monday, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Low 14, high 24. Western Algonquin Park, lake of 2 rivers. For today, mainly cloudy with 60%. UV index 5 or moderate. For tonight, partly cloudy, 60% chance of showers early this evening with risk of a thunderstorm. Fog patches developing before morning. Low 9. A mix of sun and cloud. Fog patches dissipating in the morning.